What's up, guys? What's going on? Oh man, judging from the title already, you guys already know what's going on here. What's this all about? I'm happy. I got a smile on my face. I'm usually happy. But anyway, we're going to do a quick unboxing. I got a nice big gift today. It's heavy as hell. Let me grab it. Hold on one second. Oh, shit. Woo. Oh, man. We got a pretty Diff in here. That shit is heavy as hell. I hope that it's in one piece because the box is busted right here. The side of the box, you can see the side of the box is busted. You can see a piece of the Diff right there. And then on the bottom, it's like this shit is falling out the bottom. Oh man. Do a quick prayer with me, guys, that this thing is in one piece. You know, quick story. I was hitting up SLG while sitting in my driveway today. Asking them like, yo, I didn't receive a tracking number for my package. What's going on? You know, I need this Diff. It's my final piece. This is the final ingredient. Oh, that kind of hurt. Okay. It's a box in a box. Alright, it's a box in a box. So, there's no easy way to do this. Oh no, it's just boxes on top of a box. Get all this out. Woo! This shit is pretty. Oh. I just want to make sure. I just hope that it's all in one piece. So this shit's heavy as hell. Look like it's in one piece. Oh. Alright guys, it's in one piece. Got the final ingredient. So that's it, guys. Let's go over this Diff real quick. Alright, well, we got a Diff. It's all greased up. Gotta put some fluids inside. LSD. Got these solid mounts. Solid mounts here. Got the plate here. Gotta get my drive shaft to adapt to this. But, man, this thing is it's pretty brolic. I think I went with a 3.57 gears, something like that. The gears are pretty standard. I didn't want to go with anything too short. I didn't want to go with anything longer. You know, you can see it's all sealed up when they put the brand new Diff inside. But yeah, I mean, that's it. That's it, boys and girls. This thing looks sweet. You know what I'm doing this weekend. So this is the bolts for the fluid, you know, warning, please add fluid. Don't run it without fluid. Anyway, guys, yeah, it's gonna be a 1, 2, 3 thing for me to get this in the car. It's gonna be pretty simple. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy, right? Damn, this thing is heavy as hell. I feel like it's heavier than the E46 M3 diff. But, I mean, part of me want to crack it open, but I'm not gonna do that because it's already all sealed up. But, man, I can't wait to get this in. Woo! Stay tuned, guys. You already know. Next video, putting this in the car, getting the drive shaft adapted. We're gonna get this car flipping some wheelies soon. Peace, guys.